Overtake scenario tutorial. How to make scenarios like this. First, find a relatively fast car. Drive to where you want the scenario to start. And spawn in the vehicle you want to overtake. CT or L+ are to set spawn point. Then spawn in a trailer if you want to. Connect semi to trailer. Drive to your starting point. CT or L+ are to set spawn point for both the semi and the trailer. Then drive down the road and find a spot for the oncoming vehicle to start. Spawn in the oncoming vehicle. Drive to the starting point. CT or L+ are to set spawn point. Press R to return car to spawn point. CT or L+ are to set spawn point. Press F11 to open World Editor. Go to Window, Gameplay, Script to iManager. Press the circle to start recording vehicle movements. Before pressing record, make sure that this is turned on. Now drive the vehicle on the path you want it to. The movements will be recorded, so it's important that you drive it just the way you want it to go. When you're done driving the path, press the square to stop the recording. Press the play button to respawn the vehicle and to play the recording. Now the truck will drive the path you just drove. The recorded path can be displayed if needed. Find the oncoming vehicle on the vehicle list, and record the path just like you did with the other truck. If you want to close the World Editor while recording, you can do so by pressing F11 again. When both paths are recorded, you can press Play All to reset both vehicles and start their paths at the same time. Now you should have two vehicles driving towards each other. Restart the trucks and find an approximate spot for a marker vehicle. The marker is there to show when to start the overtake. Try again now with the marker vehicle in place. Play with the speed and distances until you're satisfied with the result. This is my result after some tweaking with both speeds and distances. Comment down below if you have any questions, or if you want me to elaborate on something. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next tutorial on how to get your game looking just a bit crispier.